Firefighters, paramedics, EMTs, you serve the public every day, but does that qualify you for a VA loan? Let's set the record straight. VA loans are one of the best benefits available to those who serve, but I get this question all the time. I'm a police officer, I'm an EMT, can I get a VA loan? I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, and in this video, I'll break down exactly who qualifies for a VA loan and how first responders can access great home loan options, even if they're not eligible through the VA. Let's get into it. Who qualifies for the VA loan? VA loans are backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. They're designed for active duty military, veterans, certain National Guard and reservists, eligible surviving spouses. To use the benefit, you need to meet minimum service requirements, and you need a certificate of eligibility, a COE. The VA determines this based on your time in service, discharge status, and duty type. It's not based on your current profession, so being a police officer or firefighter alone doesn't qualify you. So there's common confusion around first responders, and I talk to a lot of heroes who serve their communities, police, firefighters, paramedics, and they ask, do I qualify for the VA loan? The answer is only if you served in the military. Now, some first responders are veterans. They joined the military, completed their service, and then became local heroes in their communities. If that's you, you may very well qualify. But if your service has always been civilian, the VA loan isn't available. It's not about who deserves it, it's about who meets the federal requirements. So you might be asking yourself, what about first responder loan programs? Well, many states and cities offer great home buying incentives for public servants. They might not be VA loans, but they can still help you buy a home affordably. So let's talk about that next. One of my clients, who is an EMT in San Diego, also served in the National Guard. He didn't think he qualified at first, but once we pulled his certificate of eligibility, we found he had full VA entitlement. He got into a $650,000 home with zero down. Now, another client of mine who's a full-time police officer, but he never served in the military. Unfortunately, that meant no VA loan for him. We helped him explore some other options though, and we do have a zero down payment option that he was able to qualify for. So this is why our team starts with a discovery call. We'll verify service, review some options, and help every buyer understand what they qualify for. So think of the VA loan like a veteran ID. You have to have worn the uniform to access the benefit. So if you're a first responder, but not a veteran, you still have some really great loan options. The FHA loan offers a 3.5% down payment. Conventional loans, you can get in as a first-time buyer with as little as 3%. There are several local state and city hero loan programs for public workers. There's down payment assistance in many cities and counties, and it might not be the VA loan, but it can still be affordable and accessible, and in some instances, still be a zero down loan program. The key is talking to a loan team that understands how to match the right loan for your situation. If you're a police officer, firefighter, or EMT who also served in the military, let's find out if you qualify for the VA loan. Or maybe you didn't serve in the military, but you want to explore all your best options. Either way, my team is here to help. Book a free discovery call at valoanguy.us. We'll check your certificate of eligibility, review your credit, and match you with the right path forward. You serve your community, you deserve the best advice. Let's talk soon.